Hello everyone, today we're making a delicious healthy banana bread. First, mash the bananas until smooth. It's best to use ripe bananas because they make the bread naturally sweeter. I will leave the full list of ingredients in the description. I decided to use almond milk, but you can go with regular milk or even oat milk. The best part about this recipe is that it has no refined sugar, so it makes a perfect healthy snack. Once the bananas are mashed, add in the eggs and a splash of vanilla for extra flavor. Then mix well. Now pour in olive oil and almond milk, followed by a little honey for natural sweetness. Mix everything together until combined. Next, sift in the flour along with a pinch of salt and some cinnamon. Gently fold the mixture until smooth. Pour the batter into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. Run a knife dipped in olive oil across the top of the batter so the bread keeps its shape while baking. You can also add banana slices. Preheat your oven 30 minutes ahead, then bake at 170 centigrade for about 45 minutes. And that's it. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a cozy snack. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.